Hello, everybody. Happy Valentine's. Almost. This is just what I have in my living room, just my little area. And so we've got our cute little vintage pillows that I got from Anna Lee. And one says, "You got me, Valentine," and the other one says, "Valentine's greetings." I love that little girl with her little dress. So cute.
I love the blue and check, so pretty, and the
Yeah.
little crisp white blouse with the little red trim and black.
Yeah, I love the little puffy sleeves. So
Yep.
cute. And then oh my gosh, the pillow. The pillow says, "Love every moment, laugh every day, and love beyond words." So this kind of makes me smile. I really like it.
Gives us a little bit of inspiration to think a little bit happier. I think a lot of our problem is not that we have bad lives. We get in a depressed state until we need to appreciate what we own and have.
Mm-hmm.
And we have a lot, and we have a good family.
And just think back to, the simple things in life. We don't have to have big, gorgeous houses and drive fancy cars. We just need to be, comfortable, and family is everything. So if you have your family, then you have everything.
And you have health.
Yes, and health too. Yes.
Yeah, those are family and health, I think, are the two most important things. Because even if you have a ton of money, if you're in bad health, it isn't going to make you happy. And if you are really have a terrible family, and some families don't even talk to each other. So we're really blessed. We have a really nice family. Well, I thought we'd just share this beautiful moment with you all. And now it's time for Tea Tuesday.